Alright guys, so we're going to get right into the tutorial. As you guys can see, I am going in with a curling wand. If you don't have a curling wand, you can use just a regular curling iron or a flat iron for this particular look. So I like to go in and curl the piece first and then add the flexi rod. It just makes the curls more uniform, and it also makes them last a little bit longer. Alright, so I'm not doing anything hard or anything. I'm just curling, and then I'm adding the flexi rod, and I'm going to do that same thing over throughout the whole wig. So what I did was, all I did was add a little bit of makeup to the lace, face makeup, and I did also bleach the knots, okay? The wig does come with combs inside the unit and also an adjustable strap. So now I'm just cutting the lace off. As you guys can see, be very careful whenever you're cutting the lace off. It's better to cut more lace off than less lace because, of course, you can't get that back. So I'm just holding the wig down with some Got2b gel. As you guys can see right here, and I'm going to be mixing it with the bed head spray. Together, these two have the best hold. Like, it's better than any type of glue or anything like that. It's just really, really nice. So I would suggest you guys try it if you guys haven't tried it before. So now I'm just going in and removing the flexi rods, as you guys can see, and I will be kind of styling the wig just to my liking. All right. Hey guys, all right, so let's get right into the review. This is what the wig is looking like. This is pretty much what I came up with. So this is a bob wig, but I wanted to kind of remake the bob wig. I didn't want to wear just the regular flat iron type of style. So what I did was I did some flexi rod curls. I did show you guys how I do my flexi rod curls, and I think it came out perfect. And all I did, I didn't want like a defined part, so I just pulled it up in the front like this. Great for the summer, great for all day everyday wear. It's short, it's flirty, it's cute, you know, it's not too much, but this bob is super thick, which I absolutely love. As you guys can see, with the curls in it, it looks even thicker, but it was already thick like before, you know, I even put the curls in it. It's a lot. This wig feels like 200 density or whatever, but I will have the correct amount of density in the exact wig linked down below. Okay, so this is what she looks like. So it is an ear to ear frontal unit, so you can part it anywhere in the front. I did bleach the knots on these wigs. I lightly bleached the knots, and I also added some face makeup to make everything come together and look even more natural. Okay, so this style may be a little childish, a little kitty, but I don't know, I'm feeling it. It's cute to me. Let me know what you guys think down below, okay? But this hair does come from a company by the name of Cranberry Hair Company. This is my first time reviewing for this company, so let me know if you guys have heard of this company before, if you've ever reviewed for this company before, or anything. That leave that down below. Okay, how are you guys liking this bob? I'm feeling it. The bob did come kind of pre-plucked a little bit. It was lightly plucked, so I plucked it a little to my hairline. I didn't do a whole lot. That's the thing. The bob already came ready to go, but I didn't do a lot. The parting space is really deep. On the side is about this long, and in the middle, like up here where I have my ponytail, it actually comes back here. All right, so you have a lot of parting space to do whatever you want to do, or however you want to style this bob. You have a lot of parting space, a lot of leeway to do it how you want to. I feel like this wig is perfect for special occasions, perfect for birthday parties, everyday wear, perfect for vacation, and all type of things like that. Okay, so let me let you guys kind of see up close. Now I did go in and I used this Gorilla earwax on my edges and it looks kind of like this. I'm not a big fan of this. I don't really too much like this all that great, but like I said, I really am feeling the wig. I just don't like that on my edges. Maybe for something else, but definitely not edges. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you guys are thinking about purchasing this wig, and also if you've ever ordered from this company before. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it, and I'll see you in my next video.